think what we put together in learning development, it helps to drive the business, it helps to shape the culture. This year, I know at the strategic level, they were really looking at our store managers to have a lot more business acumen and really understand how their business works and how they impact profitability. So we actually added on a day onto our leadership training and spent the whole day talking about different things like inventory health and effective labor scheduling and all of those things that really impact the bottom line for the stores. So one of the things we're doing is we're switching a lot over to video. So the even things around our processes and things that you might typically look at a job aid for, we'll turn that into a video because we find that our employees would rather just watch a quick 2-minute video on how to do something rather than read a job aid. Most of the stores have what they call a sales development room, and there is a computer there or several computers there where employees can take their training, but they can also access any of their training on their mobile devices. We do contests and incentivize employees to learn about vendor products. So every time they take a course from a vendor, they actually get a ticket into a contest that they can win prizes for at the end of every month. We also have programs that are put together by our vendors. So if they want employees to be able to take their training, then we'll have a specific vendor that will put on a contest for a period of time. And it usually coincides with a launch of a new product that they've got. So we find that the uptick on employees completing their training is 300-400% more than what they would typically do if the content was just sitting out there. So the vendors love it because the employees are learning about their products. The employees love it because they get a chance to win some great prizes. And in the end, it really helps our customers because then our employees are better educated. As we were thinking about marketing our training, we wanted to make sure that we used a lot of the tools that we have available to us. So in our stores, we have something that we call Hub TV. So it'll show different things for the employees up on slides. So we use that to tell them about what kind of training was coming up. We actually use our LMS to help market training as well, in that we've got banners that we can put up on different things that are coming up. We use our intranet site, so our communication team helps us to put together communication around different training programs that are up and coming, and people can register right from that communication into whatever programs that they're going to be taking. I think I have one of those accidental learning careers. Started off in retail, and then position came up in training, and I thought, hey, this looks like fun, and then I fell in love with it. So for me, I think it's because we can impact people, we can impact the business, we can impact the customers. There's so much that we do. Every time you create training, you're changing people's lives in some way. And I think that that's an awesome responsibility, but it's also amazing.